So sadly, riding season, I think, has come to an end for this year. That is sad. It's wintry outside, and that's kind of says to the season. And not that I think salt trucks have come out yet, but they probably will be coming out soon. So time to put the bike away. Anyways, before the bike goes away, I bought these. And for those of you that have seen my Victory motorcycle, you'll notice that I have handguards on it because I do like handguards, especially if you have handlebars that are up high or you have handlebars that they're just not being protected by anything on the bike, right? So you get extra wind on there, you get extra like rain and whatever. Things can hit your hands. So I bought these. These are, I don't know if they're identical to the other ones. There are a little bit of differences, but these are basically some of the least expensive handguards for your motorcycle that you can get on the Amazon. Yes, on the Amazon. And they are simply, as far as I can see, they are simply just plexiglass, right? They're like a plexiglass. I got them in this dark smoke. I don't know if you can get them in clear. My thought was I may get these painted white. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna or not. Maybe. Anyways, these go on here. These are like a universal style mount. And they go on to your mirror stem, right? So where they attach to the actual bars and the mirror comes out. Then you would have these pieces would actually attach to, basically they attach to the mirror stem, and then the handlebars or the handguards are here, yes, on this, and your hand sits in here, right behind the actual handguard. Now the other ones that I got, pretty much again identical to this, except these pieces. The other ones were chrome, and the thing that I found, because my bikes used to be stored outside in the rain, of course, and all that kind of stuff. They were stored away for the winter, but even in the summer months, they were stored outside. They got wet all the time, and these pieces with the chrome had a tendency to get a bit of rust. Now, I would just take tinfoil and like some water or Coke, and I could just get the rust off. So not a huge deal, but just realize, of course, like anything, they could rust, right? These are black though. And I'm hoping that with the black, it just stays looking a little nicer. Plus, I think the black with the white motorcycle will look sharp. So let's take these. I'm going to go outside. I'm going to install them. You guys don't need to watch me install them because it's super simple. Take your mirrors off and put these on. But you'll be able to see how they look and how they fit on my Indian. All right, let's go outside. Okay, as you can see outside, snowy. Anyways, we're in the midst of installing, but I wanted to show you the ones I had on the Victory. So these are the Victory ones, and you can see right here, just kind of one piece that goes down, and you can see it's getting some rust on it right now. But usually, like I said, I just kind of wipe that off with some tin foil just to get the rust off it. And you know what? They've been really good. But over here, there's an extra piece that they actually give you, and I don't have these tightened, but it's this piece right here. So instead of mounting this straight to the actual mirror stem here, which you could if you have enough room, but on my bike where I have a new windshield that comes out more, this allows me, because normally it would be banging in against this, I can actually use those pieces to really get a good adjustment to where I want these to sit. Once I get them snugged up into where I want them, I can just tighten all these so they sit perfectly. So that extra piece, huge benefit. And that wasn't something I think that came with my original ones. Plus again, the black looks pretty sharp, matches my windshield. And I'm going to tighten these up and we'll see how they work. But I think they're going to be perfect. All right, guys, so all installed, all tightened up, exactly where they should be. You can see here, I got this one kind of just angled back a little bit forward, but it gives my lever plenty of space, doesn't actually hit this. There's a little tiny bit of space between my windshield, but if I wanted to, I could loosen these and probably just bring them back a little bit on an angle, like right there. Still good. Again, nothing touching there. I can get my finger back between it, which is good. On the other side with the brake lever, we just have to kind of come, as you can see, like straight out there. out of it. And again, lots of space in this one. This is going to be able to give me just it's almost like an extension right up this windshield. I'm using the Clockworks windshield, and it's almost like an extension now. It just kind of comes straight across there over top, right? Straight across there, which is good, right? So there's the windshield, there's the actual, you know, handguard, and I would think this looks pretty good. Yeah, so if you look at the front of the bike, like no wind's going to get through there because it just kind of comes up and into this and pushed over. Same thing here, right? I may need to adjust them a little bit just to check to see if my, you know, windshield comes back when it just before it goes up, but should be fine. And on this side, same thing, right? This one's got lots of room there, so we should be good on that side as well. Yeah, this one's face down a little bit. I may actually see if I can play around with that angle, or maybe even tilt my bars back a little bit just to bring these up in their angle a little bit. But still, I think that'll work good. And I'd rather have it hit pretty hard here and push up and flow down this way. So I think they'll be okay. I think those will work good. And very similar, you guys can see the Victory back there. Very similar setup, but I do like the black on black. The other thing too that this one had that the other one didn't have is between the nuts and the actual metal here, there's these little tiny like rubber washers that you put on, which will, my guess would be for any kind of vibration through there so that they don't crack the plexiglass. So basically you put like a rubber one on this side. I put it between the metal and here, and on the back, same thing between the metal and here. So there's 4 of them per side. And yeah, I think that's gonna look all right. Very cool. All right, guys. I will leave a link down below if you guys are looking for some handguards for your motorcycle. And I think these ones should work okay. All right, my friends, that's it. I will see you guys next video, and links down below.